Hello everyone, welcome to my class with essay. Our topic for today is sound ah ah ah. First, our learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, learners will be able to describe sound ah. Number two, learners will be able to correctly pronounce sound ah. Number three, learners will be able to identify words containing sound ah. First off, this sounds like ah, 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 and it is often misrepresented as oh, oh, or often mispronounced as oh, oh in some words. But these are different sounds entirely. Do you understand? So the sound ah, ah is described as low, central, short vowel sound. Low, central, short vowel sound. The spelling symbols representing this sound are number one, letter O, as in love, money, Monday, monkey, honey, oven, tan, stomach, month, monk, sun, dove, above, come, cover, other, color, done, one, once, one, front, etc. The next letter OO as in blood, flood, and so on. The next letter U, some words as in dust, must, rub, run, sun, Sunday, search, club, hunt, structure, result, luck, mud, duck, lunch, cut, cup, fun, pan, and so forth. Next, OU as in enough, country, trouble, couple, double, courage, encourage, tough, young, etc. There are many other words containing this sound. But for you to get it right, you have to study the notes I'm attaching to this video. Okay, and the notes I've attached to other previous videos on the sounds that are similar to this. Do you understand? For instance, if you look at these three words, okay, this is cup, cup, the sound for today. Look at the transcription, and then this cup, cup, cup. Look at the transcription. It contains oh, 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 and then CAP, 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 cap. Look at the transcription. So these sounds can be confusing, but with consistency and constant practice, you are sure going to, master all these sounds. If you found this lesson, useful, don't keep it to yourself. Don't forget to share. Okay, like, make comments. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye.